I had the one year you had the best buns in the state, and then I had the best nuts in the state. We were pretty proud of it that year, I would say.
You would say.
Yeah.
You would say.
We've been competing in county fairs and state fairs for the last 34 years. We have won over 2,000 ribbons combined through the 34 years.
I think I baked a pan of bars for my very first competition and didn't win a thing. But I got the hang of it after that and won a whole lot the next year.
Like I said, we've entered everything, just about. We don't do pickles.
It's nice to try different things.
Yeah. You see something, or we look at something, or we watch something on TV and go, hey, we can do this. And so we'll try it. We've had some flops. We've burned more than our fair share of things, or couldn't get it out of the pan because the pan was destroyed. It just happens. I mean, you never know what the judges are going to look for. And sometimes you may have a fan favorite, and you bring it to work or the neighbors. Everyone loves it. And then you go to look at your results. Well, I didn't even get a 4th place on it. It's like, what's the deal here? We see a younger group now coming into it, and we also see that it's not just women that are entering it. I mean, there are a lot of guys that are doing the same thing. I mean,
You get to be a part of history, really.
yeah. I mean, you enter, your name gets in the book. You win, your name gets in the book. Forever. It's out there. Good or bad. Yeah.
Let's make it good this year.
Let's make it good.
No.
I mean, 35 years ago was our last time we had a year off from a fair. And we're excited to get back to the fair. We're ready. We're counting the days. Yeah,
We're
ready. So, yeah, it's going to be good.